Hey guys, this is Chadwick again here, and today we are going to go over how to mine cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bytecoin, Mcash, Maggie. So what you see here are the actual console programs that are running, and as you see, I have quite a few. I think I have 8 different miners running, so I'm going to explain to you what all this means in this lesson. So let's go ahead and close these out. And as you notice where it says 74.10 kilohash per second, you may have seen them advertise Bitcoin miners like the Antminer S9 or Foxconn, and they do like 1,000 kilohash or 1,000 gigahash or 1,000 terahash or stuff like that. I think the fastest one is about 13 terahashes. So it goes hash, kilohash, M, megahash, gigahash, and then terahash. But let's close these out. I'm going to go over how to set that up on your computer. And you can do it on your laptop or your home computer. So what we're going to do first is we're going to check out some sites here where you can use a stratum to mine Litecoin. So this is MinerGate. You can see I have 100 Bytecoins unconfirmed, 7. Those get put on there. That's about 2 days worth of work. A Bytecoin doesn't work that much. If you go to Google and type MinerGate CC miner, you're gonna find a special part of that website called MinerGate. And while we're waiting for that to come up, we'll go ahead and I'll show you some other websites like that. Let's see. Okay. So here is another part of the MinerGate website where you can create a membership and mine cryptocurrencies. These are the compatible console cryptocurrency miners. I personally am a fan of Claymore. This Claymore Crypto Note Windows CPU miner is pretty nice. There's a CUDA miner. Basically, you're just either mining with a graphics processor unit or a central processing unit, a CPU or a GPU. And then there's what kind of coin you're going to try and mine. And what I mean by mine is processing transactions on the blockchain. So it's just like machine to process a Visa or MasterCard, basically. Now, we'll get into this in a little while. CC miner is the name of the file. This is a stratum right here. If you see, this is what I was talking about. You need one of those to mine Bitcoin. So this one is for XMR, that one's for BCN, QCN, XDN, FCN, MCN, DSN, and INF8. So I'm going to show you how to write those in just a second. Now, feel free to download any of these. These are the only miners that are supported by MinerGate at the time. Another thing about MinerGate is if you do mine on here, you can buy these hash powers. You can see I spent $12.71 on February 23rd, and I made 97 cents. I spent $7.72 for 38 GHSs, and I've made $12.10. So MinerGate is a pretty cool freaking site, and if you're not wanting to get technical but you want to mine the easy way, then download this copy of this software. This is the MinerGate Windows-based software. So for me, in case of my instance, I'd be getting the Windows 7 or 32-bit MinerGate program is over 32-bit operating system. So if you don't like MinerGate, maybe you don't like how it's set up, or maybe you want to try something else. We've heard good or bad things about a different website. Let's see, this is Multipool, and I'm logged in. I was in here earlier today, and you can go to your balances, and for instance, I have 376 Satoshi worth of coins, isn't much. I don't use it a whole lot. Here's something you need to worry about. You need to learn about. It's something called a worker. A worker name is like a username for the file that tells your program what to mine. For instance, this is the Claymore miner from the Minergate website. I'm gonna edit it, and I'm gonna show you the. This is the Claymore CPU. That's the program it runs, and a CPU CNN miner, which is equivalent to a CC miner. It's a different program. Threads, 8 threads. The stratum. Most important thing you need to know. Notice that semicolon right there, and this port. Also stratum plus TCP semicolon // That'll be dependent upon the website you're using to mine. Now, for Minergate, you can just use your username, like I did here, Cchadwicka at AOL.com, and for a password, you use X. And I'll go ahead and show you how that program works. It's a batch file. So I double click on it. There you go. Now it says can allocate memory. It's just some stupid thing. It'll start mining in a few minutes. I'll get back to that, and I'll show you how it does. For instance, worker names, miners. Let's see. My mouse unstuck. So here's some other examples. For instance, this M miner D32Win is one I've been using. And this is slowing down my mouse. As you can see, share found. That's for the BCN pool Minergate, and that was something we just went over. Total hashes, speed, dev hashes, mining time. So that's mining for Bitcoin right now on Minergate. The reason why I wanted to share Minergate with you was because it explains how to write batch files for your main mining program, and that's what you need to know basically. And actually on Minergate website, they have examples of how to write that type of code. So this here is you notice it's solo.ckpool.org. I'm going to close that. I'm going to show you how to open it. I have that in this CG Miner Gecko Win 32 2-pack. And this is actually a universal serial bus or USB miner. And it's about 15 gigahashes. As you can see, it found 2 chips. You can look it up on Google if you search for GEKKO space science miner, and you can get a picture of it. It's about $60. So right now on this pool, solo.ckpool.org, which actually in the program file, which we can take a look at here, probably need to spend more time on teaching you how to write these, but there's the program that you're going to open. That's just a variable, it's not very important. Stratum plus TCP, that's the stratum is actually your console miner is connected. This is my username in this case, solo.ckpool. Use your Bitcoin address and you can check the balance and stuff. And this is where you could overclock your miner to say up to, I've had it up to 250 megahertz, but we'll keep it on 150 for now. And I clicked on that a few minutes ago, and this is what came up. So I'm running at 17 gigahashes a second, and it should just do it all night long, pretty much. So if you have any questions or would like to make another video, please drop me a line, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have, or make a video on just about anything. I have about 20 years experience with Windows since Windows 3.11, Windows 95, 98, 2000 XP, Vista 7, 8, 8.1, and 10. So if you ever have any questions, please do ask. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. It's called mminer-D. Well, that's the name of the mining program, but Stratum is mining.m-hash.com. My port was 3334. That's my worker username, which is basically your username plus the number of worker there, and the password, which is an extra variable. And so you can see while I was speaking there that it booted right up and started doing hashes, and I was kind of, glad about that because it gave me some sort of sense of accomplishment when, you double click on it and, it just comes right up and it starts mining. So that's kind of cool. You get to see it in action and stuff like that. So it's processed 9 transactions basically. That's how that works, and that's supposed to be the rate. So, see, we'll go ahead. I'll show you one more. How about the Claymore Crypto Miner? This is Claymore Crypto Miner 3.2, and slow mode will be started in 15 seconds. We'll go ahead and mine for you. Let's see, a few more things we can go over. How about, let's see, a few websites you can mine with. How about LitecoinTool.com? The popular one. Here's another one that I've had recommended for a very long time, and it's called Slush Pool. And Slush Pool is a pretty good website as well. I've got about 3.5 minutes left to go here. Go ahead and let you see slushpool.com and Litecoin pulled up, so let's try and log in there. And if you're unfamiliar with how to set up your Stratum miner for a particular website, you can go to Help, and it will show you, these are my workers. Like, that is my username is Cchadwicka, and I have 1 through 7. I have 7 workers. So my mouse to work again. We'll close these out. It's not really made to be using your computer while those are running, because they are kind of processor reliant. Now, these are Stratums for Litecoin pool, and as the name suggests, Litecoin is a cryptocurrency. It's one of the popular ones they sell on Coinbase. And it go ahead and it details what stratum you can use. So you would put cgminer.exe and then stratum plus tcp : / and then litecoinpool.org. Well, actually, for me, I'd say us2.litecoinpool.org and support. And then you would have -u space Cchadwicka.1 space -p space x, and you'll be able to mine on Litecoin. That is a script mining program. Bitcoin is a SHA-256 miner, and there are a lot of different types of algorithms, or they're basically instructions that tell a hardware device, how to process these transactions securely, and they call that things like script mining and things like that. This is Slush Pool, and just like on Litecoin Pool, you can go to Help Center, go to Getting Started, and you can get started with Bitcoin, and there you go, there's your Bitcoin stratum. So you put cgminer.exe, that right there, username, .worker name, and the password X. And you could mine on, say, East Coast or China, Europe, Singapore, Japan. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed my overview of Bitcoin mining. I would like for you to check out MinerGate and some of the other mining programs, and we'll leave you guys with a sense of accomplishment here with the coin called Magi, M-A-G-I, and there you go, it's already started up, 101 hashes. That's great, make fucking $1,000,000. So you guys have a good day, and thank you for watching the video. Please comment, links below. Bye.